Samery Moras, and today I'm going to be going over how to do a jump side kick. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below, because in this channel we do a lot of Taekwondo tutorials, tips, and videos to help you improve your Taekwondo skills. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started with learning the jump side kick. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna learn is just the jump. So let's go over how you do the jump for the jump side kick. So pretty much you're gonna start off with the leg that you wanna kick with in the back. So you're gonna lift your kicking leg all the way up, bring your knee all the way up, and then you're gonna make your back leg jump up to meet it. Let's practice that a couple more times. Knee up and jump to meet it. Again, knee up and jump to meet it. Remember, the kicking leg starts in the back and it will end up in the front. Now that we have that down, let's add a few more steps before it. I'm gonna start with my left leg forward. My right leg's gonna be my kicking leg, so it's still gonna be in the back. I'm gonna step forward with my right leg, my left leg. Now my right knee is gonna come up, and we're gonna do that same exact jump that we practiced before. My right knee is going up in the air, and my left leg is hopping up to meet it in a nice tuck position. If you prefer kicking with your left leg, no worries, just go ahead and do the opposite. Now that we have this down, I want you to practice running and jumping over some obstacle. For me, I'm gonna be using this small yellow block. I'm just gonna place it here on the floor, and I'm gonna practice doing that same exact run, jump, tuck, landing in a fighting stance a couple times. Looks like this. Notice how my arms are in control the whole time. I am still doing that exact same jump that we first learned. Great, now we're gonna be ready to start adding in the kick. So just like you do a normal side kick, if you don't know how to do a side kick, by the way, make sure you get that one down first. You're gonna bring your kicking leg up. It's gonna be chambered in that tuck position. You're gonna extend out that side kick, re-chamber, and back down. So it's exactly the same way as you do it on the ground, except you're gonna be doing it in the air. So let's go ahead and try and extend it as we're running and jumping. So take your running steps. When you are ready, bring your kicking leg up. Make sure that that knee is nice and tight and chambered. Your back leg is gonna leave the ground, go up into the air. When both of your legs are up in the air, I want you to extend that kicking leg out for the side kick. Retract it, bring it back in. Bottom leg's gonna land down on the ground and land back in your fighting stance. Go ahead and practice this a couple more times. Some things to keep in mind: make sure you're watching where your eyes are going. Don't be looking down at the ground, but rather be looking up and focus on your target. Make sure that your arms are in control. I know when people jump side kick, they tend to go like this with their arms, but keep them inside in that fighting stance. And also be controlled when you land. Don't do a heavy thump landing, but try and land lightly. As you get a little more comfortable, go ahead and add some more blocks. You can do a flying side kick for length, or you can do a high jump side kick for height. So you can add in blocks on top or add them in across the room. Just make sure you have enough running room and enough landing room. You want to make sure that you land safely, you don't roll an ankle. Don't try too much before you can do it. A couple more things to keep in mind. Make sure that when you do your side kick, turn your hips over all the way. You don't want to be doing a side kick like this where your hips are still forward. You want to turn all the way and push your hips out for that side kick like that. Alright guys, I really hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and if you want to see a different kick tutorial next, just let me know as well. I will see you guys all in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe, and if you want to check out my vlog channel, feel free to do that too. I will see you guys all next time. Bye!